Hello, my name is Joseph and I'm 10 years old. Today I would like to show you the project that I did for the 2024 coding showcase. Allow me to show you my code. This is my code. These are the file IDs for the images I used for the code. This is how I upload the image from the Google Drive. And these are the sprite groups that I use for the project. I am using Pygame. Allow me to show you how the program works. So in this game, the aim of the game is to put out all the fires and then go to the bears and then tap on them. Use the up, down, left, right arrow keys to move up, down, left, and right. To launch the water ball, press space. Now, you go to the bear and then tap enter. Do that for the rest. In the end, you will be brought to a game over screen which will tell you more about animals and give you a link to refer for more details. Thank you.